or create a new project and give this project a name called animations. And hit enter. Alright, go into the folder. Alright, go into the folder animations and run command start. And open another terminal right here, and then we're going to call run Android. So with both command running, we should see the result. Alright, now let's open app.js, open this document here. So we're going to select all, delete all. And this time we're going to add animation code. This is what we put in here. So on top, we do import. And especially notice here we import animated package here. And inside, we create a margin. The default value we set here is 20. Only want to keep some space there. Let's go ahead. I'm going to just save the document and run it here. So what we see is right here. So notice this is what we get here. So on top here we have some space here called 20, which is from here. For the top, animated value 20. Right here. We also create a animate function. This function call timing. And then inside the timing we have we set up the margin top. Remember margin top is 20, the default value. We're going to move it down. So how do you want to move it down? Right here. This is what we do here. To value 200. So this is 220. Now move it down by 200, right? Somewhere right here. So from 20 to 200 right here. And then the duration is 500 millisecond. And also we call property use native driver false. Then we started. So after this one, this is how we set up the animate. Once animate is called, I will work on these values. And then render returns a view. This view has a button right here. This is the button here. So when we click on this button, you can see the title is this one here, and then open on price call animate means we call this function. We call this function. And once the function is called, we have a view here called animated view. Animated view does this thing style box. The box is something like this. Width 150, height 150, background color red. So this is the one created here. It's the view. This is the view. And margin top, this dot margin top, which is this one, this value here. So at the beginning you see this because that's what you can see from the view at the beginning here. We have this one button here. We have an animated view like this 150 red. So this is what we get here from the beginning by default. And then once we click on the button, here, we're actually calling function animate. It means we call this function to do this movement. So let me do this here. Click on it. Now you can see right here, it takes 500 milliseconds to go from here to here. The distance is 200. Go from here down by 200. Actually it's by 180. So it's 20, and then go down to 200. So it moved distance 180 during 500 milliseconds. So that's what we have here. And you notice here we're calling animated view. animated view. And actually you can also call image, scroll view, and text. So there are 4 elements you can call: view, image, scroll view, text. I can put some notes here like this. So we call the view here. You can also call image. You can also call scroll view and text.